it's Carly and I am back with another review unboxing video. This time we're talking about Sony's WH-1000XM5 headset. So I was so lucky to go on a trip to Sydney with Sony for the ZV Nation group, and I got to go to one of their workshops, and then I won this like headset. So I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, Sony. These are amazing, and I thought I would do a little unboxing and chat with you guys about these. So these are the typical viral on TikTok hot girl summer walk headset, right? This is what everybody wants or has or like is after. It is, so it's so cool that they gave me these. So this is the box. It says 1000X series. Ooh, oh, that's how it opens. Okay, very cool. This box feels, I think it's some kind of like cardboard box, but better. It looks, in person, it looks like the Kim K's skincare like boxes that it comes in. Anyway, so it has a little tag on the front. This is what happens when you open it, that tells you how to connect it. And that's the back of the box. And then this is the little case that it comes with. I didn't even realize it came with a case. Amazing. So if I just unzip this case, oh, I love the detailing on this case. So this case feels, it's like really heavy duty, like it's hard but also soft, and I think it's specifically designed for this headset to like keep it perfectly. So it's got a little bend in the front there. It's also got this cute detail of the gold engraved zipper. So, ta-da! Oh my god, beautiful! These are gorgeous. It's felt on the inside to protect the headset. And these are, oh my god, they're so light. These are so light. Oh, I'm already in love with them. This color I think is like a sort of white gray color. It's really padded on the top here and on the sides, like the actual headset piece. I'm gonna put these on for the first time. Oh, right, okay, so there's a little orange marker in there that says left and right. So let me put them on the right way. I can't hear, I can hear, but that's so noise cancelling. That's amazing. I'm so impressed with this right now. I'm in love with them, and they look so cute. I think they look cute, and like earmuff style. Oh, was I yelling? That's amazing. Anyway, so let's have a closer look at these actual headset itself. So here is the headset. It's got, this is the right ear. It says Sony there, and then it's got a couple of charging port just there. And then this is the left ear, also says Sony, and this has got some buttons just on around the side. So noise cancelling, like ambient noise button here. The on-off switch just here, and then a plug-in button, cord. So a couple of cords come with in this little flap, which I think is, oh, it's magnetic. I'm in love. And you get these two cords. So this is like a headphone cord, and then this one is a charging cable. So those two sit nicely in a little, they've got their own little spot, a little house, which I love when brands do that. This case is top notch. I'm very impressed with this case. I will be keeping the case. Usually I get rid of the cases because they're no good, but this is a very nice case. Let's have a little look what's in here as well. So when we open it up, it's this little box which says 360 reality audio music service free trial, which that's a lovely little thing that's in there. And then we have some instructions. So it's this wireless noise cancelling stereo headset, and it's just a little book about how to do things, how to turn them on, how to connect, how to do different things. So I know after speaking to one of my new friends that I had made on this Sony trip, she had already got her headset out, and she was quite the guru with sound headphones and that sort of thing. And I know that she was telling me she made a phone call and she couldn't hear anything else except the phone call. So really, really noise cancelling. They said they could hear her fine as well, which is positive. It also has, when you touch one of the sides, I think it's the right side maybe, put your hand on that, it'll turn the volume down so that you can hear other people. So you'll be able to hear, you know, if someone comes up to speak to you, put your hand on there and it will turn the volume down for you so that you can hear, and then when you take your hand off, it goes back up. What a great idea. I will use that constantly. And these are going to be my new headset. I'm going to try them out really soon, and when I do, I will let you guys know what I think, and if I've got any cool tips or tricks, then I will also let you know. And of course, that's going to be in the rest of this video, so keep watching. Don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. But this is my very first initial thoughts on this, the unboxing, the packaging. I'm really impressed so far, and I'm very excited to go and try them, so I'm going to try them now.
A few moments later.
Now I was gonna do that off camera. I was gonna nick off, but I've decided I'm gonna try and pair them just in front of you guys so you can really see how easy or difficult it is. So I've got my iPhone here and I've got this headset. I'm just gonna put it on my noggin.
Magnificent.
And I'm just gonna press the on button. Okay, I'm gonna hold the on button. Little noise. It just says pairing. It has come up in my Bluetooth settings, just there, it's at the very bottom. If I just click it, it makes another noise, ding. And there's an app. So the accessories for Sony headphones has an app. So I'm gonna go to the App Store and download the app. That was so easy. You guys just saw how long that took me, no time at all. I know so my friend that I was talking about, her name's Alicia. I'll put her link to her page in the description below. She is a gaming channel and she does fantastic reviews and she chats about things and she does guides and things like that on her gaming channel. So she's really, really cool. She's also from Melbourne, so go and have a look at her page. I know that when she put them on, she was talking about how she had connected them to her iPad the night before, and then today was connecting them to her phone. So initially they connected immediately to her iPad when she first got them out of the box and all that sort of thing. And then once she, I'm gonna take these off, where are them? When she wanted to connect them to her iPhone, she just held the on button, or the /Bluetooth button, for 5 seconds, and then they came up on her iPhone. So if you're wondering, you know, what's going on there, if you're having any issues with connecting to a second device, then that is what I would recommend you try, because that worked for her. Okay, so I just registered my headset with my Sony account. I like to do that with all of my Sony products, just to make sure they're sort of accounted for, I guess. A couple of things when I'm going through the app for the headphones, it just says adaptive sound control. The app detects your actions and locations you frequent and automatically switches headphone settings such as how to take in the ambient sound. Through this, achieves optimal music experience to suit the scene you're listening to. Music in. So I'm going to turn that on for shoresies and allow the app to track my location in order to be able to do this. So this means like when I go to the gym, it'll have specific settings. When I get home, it'll have different settings, which I think is such a great, oh hi, you want to be a part of the, you want them? Do you want to put them on? Do you want to put them on? No. Do you want to put them on? No. Anyway, having an app like that is really fantastic because I know that I always get quite annoyed when I'm like doing the same thing, but I have to keep playing with my headphones. Maybe I'm just being extra when I'm annoyed about that. Anyway, I can also control these settings as well in this app. So, you know, if I want to preset them for specific locations, then I can as well. Or I can change update, which I think is a great tip as well. I just think everything's great. It also records how you use your headphones and enables you to see how you use them and when you use them and all the sort of data that I guess Sony would use. And then it also has the 360 reality audio setup. This optimizes 360 reality audio sound experience for you to enjoy an audio immersion experience as well as a live performance. So sorry I'm reading off my phone for this one, guys. I just wanted to tell you everything as it was happening and really explain everything to you the way that I'm receiving it. And then it gets you to do a little like sample. So pop my headphones back on and I'm gonna play normal audio. sounds good. I heard it in this ear, then I heard it in this ear, then I heard it all together, and it's just kind of skipping between the three. And then with 360 reality audio, oh wow, I can really hear it, like it's in front of me, it's here, it's here, it's back here now, and now it's back here, and now it sounds like it's behind me. So it really immerses you in the experience, exactly what what it actually says on the app. But that is a fantastic feature. I'm definitely going to use that. That was so cool. I'm very interested in that. It also has voice assistant, which is like the Apple headphones have, the little AirPod Pro, like Siri sort of, but not Siri. So it's called voice assistant, and this, I'll read to you again. If using voice assistant, you can perform playback and volume operations, schedule management, and run searches through voice operations. Settings required to use this function. So I'm going to use voice assistant, and it's set up through Amazon Alexa. Okay, so in the app, I'll just give you, actually I'll just screen record it and I'll pop it just here. So I'll just move over. So we're just gonna screen record. This is what the app looks like. So to use the headphones comfortably, check the tutorial. So you can watch the tutorial and version. You can do backups and restorations of your settings. I assume that's if you were to lose them or something and you got a new pair, then you could use that backup to put them on the new pair, because it does have that sort of location function and specific settings as well. So you could instead of having to like re-go through your setup, you just download it like you do on the iPhone, which is fantastic. So this is the status page. It tells you the Bluetooth power, battery power. So it's at 66% at the moment. This is the first status page. So if I click sound, it says ambient sound control, noise cancelling, and then set automatically by adaptive sound control. So I can change it to ambient sound, where I've just changed that and I can actually hear myself like I'm outside the headphones, if that makes sense. And then if I turn it off completely, it suppresses the headphone battery consumption and it's sort of back to being like noise cancelling. But with a sort of buzz almost. And then if I click noise cancelling, it's just the most beautiful sound. I can't explain it other than you've got to go and have a listen. So noise cancelling we've turned on, and then we've got speak to chat. So simply by starting to talk, you can converse while wearing the headphones. Would you like to experience this function? And then I did experience it. So pause the music to take in the ambient sound. This mode will resume while you are speaking and will close if approximately 15 seconds pass after you've finished speaking or you've operated the headset. So, okay, so it's detected my voice. So when I start talking, it'll turn it to ambient sound so I can hear as well on the outside. So I might have that turned off, or that function turned off when I'm at the gym, so that I can, like, my music doesn't stop, because that will annoy me. But I think that is a fantastic setting if you are, you know, somewhere in an office or something like that. That's where you're listening. You can also change all these different settings. You can analyze the ear shape. You can use optimization apps like I was just talking about with 360 reality audio. You can check your Bluetooth connection, so you can change those as well. Then you can go to your system, so connect 2 devices simultaneously. Voice assistant, touch sensor control panel, quick access buttons, so you can change what the buttons do on the side. So this just swapped to ambient sound when I held my hand on it, like I was talking about earlier. If you do this, it'll turn your volume right down. Automatic power off, pause when headphones are taken off, which is also a great feature. Notifications and voice guide, automatic download of software, and initialization settings. And then you've got services. So Spotify, tap quick access, so get straight to the music with Spotify, tap playback. And then you can set up those settings. It's got a little introduction video on how to do that as well if you're interested. Then you can go to activity, and obviously I have not worn these very long. I've been wearing them for this video, but it's given me a badge already. So I can click through next badge, level 1, headphones connect lever. Daily listener, because I've listened for 1 day so far, ambient sound control beginner, and adaptive sound control action beginner. So it gives you a couple of different sort of things that you've done and badges that you've done. Safe listening, a function that enables you to check if you listen safely for endless fun. Check how safely you're listening to music by comparing sound pressure data recorded by our headphones with guidance of World Health Organization. Also, you will receive notifications when you're nearing or have exceeded the sound allowance recommended. So that's a really interesting setting because that's like about your health and your ear health and protecting that, which I think is also a great setting. Have I just been so sheltered? I am so very impressed with all of these like new features that this has. Maybe these aren't new things, but they're new to me. And then you've got your log. So I've been listening 5 minutes now, and this just says I've been sitting while I've been listening for 2 minutes. So that's very interesting to see. And then if we go to information, it just tells me what version I'm up to and then any tips for listening. So that is the app sort of explained. I hope that that made some kind of sense to you guys. And if it was interesting, then I would love if you could tell me in the comments if it was interesting. I'll take this off. I think they're off now. I'm gonna pop them back in their little baggie, and I will definitely be taking these to the gym with me tomorrow and testing them out to see how they go. So far, I am incredibly impressed with them. Just as you guys have seen, I've not shut up about them yet.
Okay, so I've been wearing them for like half of my session now, and I've had a few people come up and speak to me, and I just like do this, and it literally switches to ambient sound, and I can hear what people are saying. I can hear myself better. It's amazing. It is the coolest freaking feature. I'm so in love with it. So far they've stayed on my head. They haven't moved. They've been really, really comfortable this whole workout. So far we are looking at a solid 11 out of 10 for the workout. For the use, I'm so impressed.
Okay guys, so that is the end of this unboxing / review of these amazing Sony headphones. So thank you again to Sony for these beautiful headphones. I will be using them constantly. If you guys are interested in getting them, I know that they're retail about $548, $550 I think on the Sony website, Sony Australia website, and they're on pre-order at the moment. So if you're interested in getting your hands on them, then click the link in the description below and you'll be able to go to their website and have a look if you're interested. I think they also come in black as well, but obviously I was into the white grey color. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!